Today, I'm going to show you how to create a before and after wipe comparison effect in your video. This is a great way to visually compare two clips, like showing the difference between two images or stages of a project. Let's get started. First, you'll need to have the two clips, one for the before shot and one for the after shot. Place the before clip on the left side and the after clip on the right side of your timeline, right next to each other. Next, head over to the Transitions tab on the left side. Scroll down until you find the Soft Wipe Right transition under the Wipes section. This transition smoothly wipes from left to right, which is perfect for showcasing a before and after effect. Now, drag this transition and drop it right in between your two clips on the timeline. You'll see the transition appear between your before and after shots. To adjust how long the wipe takes, simply click on the transition and use the duration slider on the right side. You can make it quick for a sharp transition or longer for a more dramatic effect. And there you go, you've just created a seamless before and after wipe comparison in Clipchamp. This is a fantastic way to visually demonstrate changes, transformations, or progress in your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Clipchamp tips and tricks.